Sports injuries are injuries that occur during sport, athletic activities or exercising. In 2014 study result says the prevalence of sports injuries in India was 73.4%. The leading cause of death related to sports injury is traumatic head or neck injury. The increasing prevalence of sports injury led to development of exercise medicines as a separate branch of medicine. First thing comes to our mind is type of injuries. Well, these are explained recently. Does our Ayurveda has any role in sports injury field? This video will give you answers for such questions. In Ayurveda, while explaining Prakriti, Acharyas give different characteristics for each Prakriti person. And certain characteristics of endurance, stamina can be correlated in performance of sports. For example, in Vata Pitta Prakriti, there will be capacity to gain speed. In Pitta Prakriti, there will be fast reflex. In Kapha Prakriti person, there will be ability to lift heavy weights. In Vata Kapha person, speed of endurance will be more. And in Vata Pitta person, there will be possess of vigorous of aggressiveness like boxers, wrestlers. Depending on region of injury, different anatomical structures are involved. Mainly tendons, ligaments, muscles, bones are involved. Ayurveda explained these structures under topic of marma. Marma, which can be defined as Sira, Snayu, Asti, Sandhi Ashrita. These are primary structures which are affected in sports injury. Vaikalyakara marma are marma points believed to have negative effects on your health when injured. Considering ankle injury, knee injury, elbow injury, which are the most commonest injuries in sports injuries, these can be correlated to certain marma points which are affected in sports injuries, such as Kurpara marma, Janu marma, Gulfa marma. For example, structures comes under Kurpara marma are elbow joint, capsular ligament, radial collateral ligament, ulnar collateral ligament, and annular ligament. These are the vital structures which are affected in elbow injury, such as tennis elbow, student's elbow, golfer's elbow, and any fracture. And symptoms can be seen similarly to whatever symptoms explained in Ayurveda.
References from Shushru Samhita, where he has given some aspect of Satyavrana, Dushtavrana Chikitsa and Bhagna Chikitsa, Sandhi Moksha Chikitsa. So analyzing these conditions, when we see the symptoms and management of these conditions, we can exactly correlate these things with the sports injuries, where the sports injuries is an unexplored area in Ayurveda.
The acute injuries should be managed according to symptomatically. But there will be three phases of healing and treatment is given according to these stages in Ayurveda.
The phase 1, where we have to main concentrate on the inflammation, and in the phase 2 we have to help in the strengthening of the muscles, and in the phase 3 where there is a rehabilitation, we have to give much more strengthen the joints. In case of Ayurveda also, whenever there is an injury, there is a Pitta and Vata aggravation. So in the initial phase of treatment, which we can do, it is a Shita Chikitsa, where after 7 days, when the dosha involvement occurs, based on the dosha, we can go with the proper dosha chikitsa.
By integrating Ayurveda and physiotherapy, treatment is given in inflammatory phase for restoration of range of movements, for restoration of general fitness. By using different treatment modalities like Upanaha, Lepa, Kshiradhara, Bandhana, Abhyanga, Mridusvedana, it can be treated through Ayurveda. Not only treating sports injury, but many Ayurvedic practitioners are successfully treating other ortho or joint related diseases and they share their experience like this.
Idiopathic chondrolysis of right hip joint. Because of that, she is having all these problems. And the allopathic doctor told them, if the pain, if not reduces, they had to undergo with operation. And we had given Shashtika Shalipinda Sveda, Sthanika Abhyangam, Nadi Sveda for 7 days. And we had given some internal medicines also. By these procedures, within a few days, 15 to 20 days, pain was reduced and she was able to walk and sit properly.
Certain formulations like Shatapushpa, Murivenna Taila, Rasna Saptaka Kashaya, Dhanvantara Taila, Kottam Chukkadi Churna, these are helpful in treating sports injuries.
Since 2016, we came across or we had an idea that the sports injury has to be proper and it has to be a separate OPD has to be made for that, and a separate care for the patient has to be given. In that aspect, since 2016, we are practicing the sports injuries, the management of sports injuries, and in that aspect, we are giving or we have taken a sports injuries clinical studies, and in that studies we have concentrated the management of sports injuries, particularly with a sprain, that too the ankle joint injuries, knee joint injuries, elbow joint and shoulder joint injuries. So since 4 to 5 years we are managing the sports injuries with an integration of Ayurveda and physiotherapy, and we are getting a good result
For developing and practicing evidence-based medicine and to reach ultimate goal of treating patients and their satisfaction in treatment. Expert opines for integration of different medical system which is needed for better results.